Man, do we have a beautiful Fridge 60 rolling out shop today. This one going to Charlotta, and what a sweetheart. She bought this for her boyfriend, Cortland, as a gift. I mean, hell, this is a hell of a gift right here. So let's check it out. Now, up front here, we've got our 6-gallon Cajun fryer, double basket add-on there. That is propane powered. I mean, let's face it, guys, everything's better fried, right? So why not, while you're smoking, have a fryer right here ready to go? It just makes sense. Out front of that, we did add a cup holder along with our stainless steel front shelf. That's a great upgrade there. Looks slick, won't rust up on you, easy to clean. Paper towel utensil holder as well, of course. Now onto the smoker itself, our Fridge 60 guys, that's 60 inches long, 24 inches deep. They did change to the copper accents. Normally you get stainless steel. They like the copper look. We'll open it up here, 3 grates inside. Now they do have a couple extra add-ons in here. Main one being our charcoal tray setup. So what that is you got an ash pan here, goes in the bottom first. Then you have a charcoal pan 3/16. You set that above the ash pan, boom, turns your smoker into a charcoal grill. Pretty slick setup. You could wear out some hot dogs, hamburgers on this bad boy. Now this is a reverse flow pit, guys. What that means, we've got removable plates here, directs the heat all the way down and then back out of the stack. Makes for very even cooking temperatures inside. Now they did get our TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers. They're one in each door, as you can see there. And we did throw on the stainless steel Marine Veteran logo there. Cortland, appreciate you, brother. And how could I miss off-road package, guys? Come on now, upgraded wheels and tires. You got to look right on your pit, you know what I'm saying? On the hot box here, on the Fridge 60, you actually get an extra large hot box. That's over 2,000 square inches of cook space just on the hot box. We'll open that up. Now the way this works is it actually runs independent from the main chamber. So we've got a removable plate in here with daisy wheels. You crack those wheels open, get it hotter, or pull the whole plate out, get direct fire in there. Makes it very versatile. On the firebox, they did upgrade to our insulated firebox. Got your fire magnet cradle in there, D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Step around back, we've got a rear folding shelf. That is a must-have on the Fridge, guys. Folds down, big area to prep off of, serve off of. Fold it up when you're done. It's like it's never even there. So folks, that is our Fridge 60 heading to our neighbors over in Nashville. Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.